Today in front of me I have INFINIX Hot 11s smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. First of all, you want to launch the keyboard. At the top part of it that contains various icons, you want to head straight for this icon in particular that stands for the clipboard itself. Next, turn on this toggle in order for the clipboard to be successfully activated. If you would like to remove any elements you have at your clipboard, tap on this pencil, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and then click on the trash bin. If you would like on the other hand, for something to be added to the clipboard as the new respective element of it, simply type in something, or just copy. It's not necessary to type something in, of course. And next, once you get back to the clipboard, you'll see that the text unit that you have just copied has been successfully added to it, and from here you can very easily and conveniently paste and use everything you have at your clipboard by simply tapping on it, or tapping at the respective element. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.